This one is the monster one.
The monster.
We got 2 slices of cheese. So it's burger, patty, cheese, onions and peppers, more cheese.
More cheese is always the right choice. Well, today is a very exciting day because we are going outside and we're gonna light up the Flatrock Griddle from Traeger. Bam! Because we're making delicious smash burgers. But these are not just any smash burger. No. Last week or 2 weeks ago, we did onion smash burgers, which I highly recommend. Can't recommend them enough. Yummy, yummy. But today, well, for the first time, we're using the Traeger Smash Burger Kit that they sent over. So we're gonna check that out. But we are making something next level. These are smash burgers that are Philly cheesesteak style. So I can't wait to put these together. I was literally working out this morning and the trainer was like, oh, you guys are doing so good. You could go eat a good meal. Like, this is so good for your metabolism. And I'm pretty sure she thought we were gonna like go eat some chicken salads or something. Not the case. My metabolism's ready to go. I am amped up for some yummy, gooey, melt in your mouth Philly cheesesteak burgers. And so let's get to it. All right, so the first thing going on here is that I'm gonna be on the onions and peppers duty. I'm gonna be chopping them up. I'm so excited. This is basically a sweet onion, like a Walla Walla type onion. You could use any onion, but Philly cheesesteak style is usually white, yellow onions. Not white, yellow onions. And then hand model Patrick over here is gonna be on burger duty. So we're gonna let him put on some gloves and we'll show you how to make the burgers too. Let's do it. So what is your game plan?
Okay, so we got a pound of ground beef here. So I'm just gonna make 4 balls and we're gonna do 4 smash burgers.
All right, and so you're gonna, instead of making them disc shape, you're gonna make them circles, balls,
yeah.
Balls.
You can just do it roughly, you know. Quarter it. It'll be about a 1/4 pound per patty, pretty much. Kind of like meatball style. And we'll season them when they're on the grill. So
you're not putting any salt and pepper in them right now?
That's correct.
Which I feel like is controversial.
Okay.
You're like, I'm fine with that.
It's your balls. You can do what you want with them.
That's true. All right, and so these are so easy to prep. Just roll them into ball shapes, and then you're gonna prep your onions and peppers. For buns, well, I had already worked my way through the supermarket and I totally forgot to get buns and I didn't want to backtrack because I was with a kid, and if you know what that's like, you need to like bolt out of the grocery store as soon as possible sometimes. That's a side note. Anyway, so I found these and they're like mini hoagie rolls. So I think they're gonna work out just great. You could really use anything. These are considered French bread. They're soft. Yum, they're gonna be good. So the first thing that we're gonna cook are the onions and the peppers, but I just want to show you, you wanna have something like this ready to go. We basically just keep a mixture of salt and pepper that's combined here together in a little bowl so we can take it outside, and then it'll be super easy just to season up the onions, peppers, and the burger patties while we're cooking them. So we usually prepare 2 oils when we hit up the Flatrock Griddle outside. The first one is just some canola oil or vegetable oil, and we mostly use that just to season the griddle. And then our personal preference is to use an avocado oil, olive oil blend. Now, that's probably kind of controversial because olive oil will burn faster on the Flatrock Griddle, so you don't want to use just olive oil because we're going to get that thing up nice and hot. But this avocado olive oil blend oil that we've been using has been really great for all of our cooks so far. We just made some really yummy griddled broccoli. That recipe is up for you to check out. Turned out so good, and this added a lot of flavor. It is a beautiful day to be griddling. Watch it. Yep. Whoa! Oh, that looks good.
Cover it up.
Ooh, that looks very good. Oh, I love it. Yum. This looks so good. All right, hit me with that bun top. Whoa, yummy. It's gonna blow off in the wind. Woo, woo. All right, the bun stayed on. Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh, I don't know that there's anything I would do differently. We're thinking maybe you could put the cheese on top, but really this looks like so freaking delicious. Let me just try a little. Yum. Look at that. Stop it. Oh my gosh, so good. All right, so what's the game plan now that we got the other three?
I'm just gonna do one at a time. Really want to get a good push this time. I feel like I didn't press it down thin enough last time, so I'm gonna try that this time.
This is your redemption.
Redemption press.
Burger. Muscle!
And then go this way.
Yeah! Wow, that looks yummy.
Alrighty, like that.
Salt and pepper right there. You're on a roll, babe. You're on a roll. Get it?
That's clever.
Thank you. Thank you. We here all week.
Ready?
Yummy. Yep. Whoa!
I like that.
Whoa!
Like that crust. Looks
Yeah,
good.
looks yummy.
Some onions, sausage, some cheese, and then the dome. Already took a sneak peek. Looks delish. Check it out.
Whoa! Oh, I do like the cheese melted on top. Hand model.
Extra
Yep.
onions.
Whoa,
Still
load it up
go
for
to
me.
town.
Top bun.
More burger than bun.
More burger than bun. That's how I like it. Yum. Well, it is going very smoothly. We're very happy with the results, so we just have a couple more to cook up. I'll just film that, but you can get all the recipe and print all of this out at Sip Bite Go. Till next time, hope you have a wonderful, everything's like shaking. Hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Bye. Well, this is the ultimate one that had the double cheese, extra onions. We really like the creative freedom expressed in making that one. This is the second one that we had made. Also very good. Can't wait to dig in. I like how nice and crispy the edges look. And honorable mentions go to our first one. We put a lot of heart into it. It looked really good. We didn't smash it as much as we wanted to ultimately, but it will be enjoyed. So this is the one where we did the cheese and then the onions and peppers on top, which I'm really glad we did try it out first. This was the first one we did. Great still, I'm sure, but I think I'm gonna like...
It's less intact.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, we did the onions, then the cheese, then more onions and peppers. Yeah.
The cheese was a blanket for the onions and the peppers.
Oh yeah, and this was the second burger, which you smashed more, which I think was a good call.
Yeah, the trick with the Traeger smasher is that it's square, so I think you gotta go two ways instead of just a circle.
That makes sense.
But it turned out great. This one is the monster one.
The monster.
We had 2 slices of cheese, so it's burger, patty, cheese, onions and peppers, more cheese. More cheese is always the right choice. Now, I think next time we'll film a video. We'll film a video in the next couple weeks, I'm sure. I want to do like a double burger, because if we go out to a burger place, you always get a double burger with bacon. Sure, yeah, we gotta do that. So
we gotta do bacon, smash burgers, double cheese. I would still probably want all the onions and peppers, so.
Sure. You can triple it up.
Triple. Ready? Oh my
Do it.
God.
Yeah. It is tasty. Yeah.
Good amount of salt and pepper. I can taste the salt and pepper that you sprinkled on the burger, which you would think to put the salt and pepper in the burger meat, but you sprinkled it on top after, and I think you really do taste the salt more.
No complaints. The flat rock gave a nice sear. I feel like we taste everything that we cooked on it prior. It's nice.
What?
Just everything that we cooked on it.
It's all seasoned in there.
It's all seasoned. It's all good to go. Adds a little flavor. It's like that old cast iron pan.
We clean all our cast iron pans, don't listen in. So we still have some videos to put out there. We're gonna do some griddled shrimp soon. We're gonna do some fried rice soon. We just put up a video for griddled chicken breasts. Turned out so good. Griddled broccoli will be up there soon. We already have griddled onions and peppers. So this has been so much fun. We absolutely love smoking food, but you do get like the instant gratification when you cook on the Traeger Flatrock Griddle because it's done so super fast. Anyway, thanks again to Traeger for sending out the Flatrock, to sending us the Smash Burger kit, and just keep showering us with presents. Till next time, hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Bye.